Hi everyone, happy Monday. Welcome to week 6 of our online learning. So this week we will continue on with chapter 18, which is on the Great Depression, and you're also going to be writing the rough draft of your research paper. So if we take a look at our to-do list, so today you're going to watch a crash course for background information and complete guided reading activity 18.1 and lesson quiz 18.1. Tomorrow you're going to work on your rough draft of your paper. Wednesday, lesson 18-2. Thursday, another work day for your paper. And Friday, lesson 18-3. Okay. Also in this folder, so the blue folder is for chapter 18, green folder is for the rough draft. So let's go ahead and take a look in this folder. I have included a couple of pieces of information for you. So this is a video that just goes over the rough draft and how the requirements have changed. The next item is a turn-in for you to submit the rough draft of your paper. It's due on Sunday, but if you need more time, just let me know. But if you have your facts done and you have your outline done, you should be able to get your rough draft done in a pretty timely manner. Okay, so the next item is how to set up your paper, and then the rubric, and then this last video is just some instructions for how to do in-text citations when you are writing your paper. Okay, so while you guys are working, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask for help. And I believe that's it. The sooner you can get those rough drafts turned into me, the sooner I can get them back to you with feedback. And then that'll be just another thing off our list that we have to get done. Alright, like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And I will talk to you guys soon.